there is not many good pieces of information and good advice coming out from the authorities about what to do when you're sick. There's heaps of advice how to prevent it, wash your hands, social distancing, but no one's saying this is what you do when you feel you've got it.
I have something great for you. I've asked the one person that I trust the most on all wellness topics, Dr. Marc Cohen, who's got 30 years of expertise in extreme wellness, to come and speak about the coronavirus. He's been sharing tons of tips on what you can do to protect yourself. Not just wearing a mask and wash your hands. No, what can you do in terms of lifestyle? You will get tons of practical tips.
I can't be well unless everybody in the world is well. Because if someone sneezes in Wuhan, the whole world gets a cold. Your body will get an infection, and the bacteria doesn't do that much, but your body's reaction to the bacteria does huge damage and can even kill you. To hack your biology and create relaxation on demand. What do you do if you get the virus? There's a whole system of cleaning the viruses out of your nose by this mucosal barrier. That's your first line of defense. So you want to maintain that first line of defense. As I said, humans can tolerate temperatures that the virus cannot tolerate. I'm trying to give you the fundamental physiological principles that you can apply in your own life to then resist any infection, not just COVID-19. Remember, the virus likes cold. It enters in the coldest part of your body and it hangs out there for 3 or 4 days. Heating yourself is probably a good preventative strategy. Getting your body at 1.5 degrees above normal gives you an advantage over the virus. It's all about how do you give yourself an advantage over the virus. And there are these strategies which you can do with no cost. You don't need to buy a drug or buy anything. You can do it at home. We're all in this together. Everyone's connected. All our health is connected. And the only real solution we need to make sure everybody in the world is well. I say, if you're living right now on planet Earth, you're living in the most extreme times that have ever been. And you can either contribute to the solution, which is worldwide wellness, or you can dive into fear and contribute to the downfall of yourself and possibly humanity. It's not about one single disease anymore. It's about how do you build resilience. You need to be an extreme being just to survive.